Defender of the flag, Lord of Ireland, and the colony of Virginia in the New World, the rain does not stop her. It is Queen Elizabeth Regina Gloriana. God save the Queen.
And God save you all, please set yourselves at ease.
We are so past that, Your Majesty.
What a day we have had. Oh my gracious, but have you had a marvelous Oktoberfest day?
That's such a term for it.
An incredibly light-hearted tournament turned into a bloody conflict. Well, ridiculous, isn't it?
Aye, indeed. Mount Hope is always going to Mount Hope.
So very true. Though, it came together at the last second when it needed to most, which is, well, very Mount Hope.
Aye, indeed.
Aye, indeed. But, we have some business to attend to before we may continue on with the merriment. Declan, Pippa, step forward. Not only did we have to contend with the tempest above, we had to contend with the tempest between the two of you. We started out with a brilliant idea, I might add, of a competition of tournament of guilds. And you ruined it with your own ambitions. And thank goodness the two of you came to your senses before all hope was lost.
Your Majesty, there are not enough words to express the utter disgust that I feel in the actions of myself and my brother.
Try.
Right. Your Majesty.
It simply be no excuse for our behavior, Your Majesty. If we are to be punished, allow me to take the brunt of the lashes, however it is dealt out.
Declan.
My sister's not exactly had the best example to follow, my brother.
Well, luckily for you, we are not to be thy judge this day. 'Tis your peers. So, Mount Hope, what should we do with them? I mean, shame the way off.
Sell their Bitcoin. All excellent ideas, however, the facts are the facts. Thy guilds were used in a bout of egos betwixt the two of thee.
This was supposed to be a merry day.
The two of thee were also essential in our defending of the Shire. We do believe that that is the truth of the Glenfinnan line. So, what shall we do? Well, we could strip them of their positions. We could stuff them into lederhosen, 3 sizes too small. Or perhaps we could simply send them off to Bexel by the sea.
I'll take the pass.
Then, because of thy heroics on this day at Bosworth Field, as well as the services provided by thy guilds in the days prior, we have decided thus, that thou shalt be put on probation.
Probation? That's it?
Thy second shall take up the guild leader position in thy stead, whilst the two of thee run off to tackle whatever familial issues thou hast going on. Yes, thy punishment is counselling, and I pray thou shalt attend.
Your Majesty, will this suffice?
Well, I don't know, Mount Hope, will this suffice? When Mount Hope comes together, it truly is one of the crowning shires of our kingdom.
One of the spoils of war, Your Majesty?
Yes, the treasure. Well, how did that tournament shake out?
Well, the Merchants Guild did technically win the ultimate joust, but then Declan forfeited to save his brother, and with all of the treachery and whatnot, it is still a tie between the Merchants and the Crafts Guild.
Well, we are trying to make a decision. So, Declan, Pippa, Glen Twinnins, how should we break this down?
Oh, well, actually, Your Majesty, I was just had a very,
Your Majesty, if I might suggest something perhaps a bit unorthodox. As much as I fought o'er that chest for the entirety of the festival day, I cannot accept the ward out tea.
Thou mayest not, and who would thou give control of it to?
Well, as you did say, Your Majesty, when the guilds work together, our shire thrives, so I believe there should be no one winner. We shall share it as we should have from the beginning, as a community.
as a family.
I have spent my entire festival day counting and counting for all of thee, and in return thou hast just said that none of it is matter.
Well, Contessa Foster, we do apologise. We forgot to mention Mount Shire sort of exists outside of the world of consequence. Oh, I know, it's a little, cuckoo crazy.
May I have a moment, Your Majesty?
Ah, yes, of course.
Oh, late vessel, late
favourite parts of the day. Well, Mount Hope is surely a culture shock when you first enter, but the best part of any day is the pub sing at the end. Are you ready? Take it away.
I've been around for many a year, and I spent all my money on whiskey and beer. And now I'm returning with golden great sword, and I never will play without the word no more. And it's no, they never, no, they never, no more. Will I play the wild rover? No, never, no more. I went back to an alehouse I used to frequent, and I told the landlady my ear was spent. I asked her for cramming, she answered me nay. Such a custom as yours I could have any day, and it's no, they never, no, they never, no more. Will I play the wild rover? No, never, no more. And now on me pockets my coats always bright, and the landlady's eyes looking wide with delight. She said I have whiskey and wine from the best, and I'll take you upstairs and I'll show you the rest. And it's no, they never, no, they never, no more. Will I play the wild rover? No, never, no more. I'll go back to my parents, but that's what I've done. And I'll ask them to honor their prodigal son. And if they embrace me as all time before, then I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, they never, no, they never, no more. Will I play the wild rover? No, never, no more. And though I leave this place, I'll soon come again, for it's here that I find most of my friends. Friends I have new, and friends I have old, and they mean more to me than all the weeds old. And it's no, they never, no, they never, no more. Will I play the wild rover? No, never, hour. We're going to start it off with Hob the Troll.
Do you mind if I sit right here?
It's a little wet for sure.
That's fine. Show my bottom. Oh my heavens! I have seen so many things this day, and I've eaten a lot of food. And I've decided to combine two of those favorite things into this song. Fries and chives, I was the first thing I eat. I get a quesadilla from this place up the street. Dinner for breakfast, breakfast for dinner. Dinner for breakfast, breakfast for dinner. For lunch, I'll eat whatever you throw in front of me. Later on, when the sun goes down, bring me 2 eggs, scrambled bacon, toasted hash browns. Dinner for breakfast, breakfast for dinner. Dinner for breakfast, breakfast for dinner. For lunch, I'll eat some Cheetos I found behind the scenes. And I'll have some ketchup for dessert. No one's gonna take it from me. Just chew the packet till it bursts. A mustard or relish, my favorite flavor's free. La 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 la. This song helps with digestion. La 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 la. Do the beep a dum do the hey hey hey. Next morning the alarm bell rings. I'll have a half a slab of ribs and 10 buffalo wings. Dinner for breakfast, breakfast for dinner. Dinner for breakfast, breakfast for dinner. For lunch I'll have some popcorn. The car wash has it for me. That night on a romantic date, she fell in love with me and the pancakes on my plate. Dinner for breakfast, breakfast for dinner. Dinner for breakfast, breakfast for dinner. Put a burger in a product, then call the hospital for me.
I think the only person who is brave enough to follow that is one of your own yeomen. How about Yeoman Bo Bredstone?
Hi, I'm Bo Redstone. I performed with Brocken, you may recognize me from Brocken Basket earlier, or back there a few minutes ago. So here I go. This is a song I sang it to one person very specifically, and it felt like I wanted to do it for more people. So it felt weird to not be able to do it anymore. So here I go. I'm going to try it again. Here we go. This is the Mariners Revenge. We are two mariners, ship soul survivors, in this belly other way. Its rims are ceiling pillars, its guts are carpeting. I guess we've got some time to kill. You may remember I was a child, and you were a lad of 18. Anyway, the street until a pirate took pity and hired me to keep their vestries nice and neat, but never once in the employ of his own. I once let my mind turn from the thought of revenge. Whoa. One night I overheard the friar exchanging words with a penitent whaler from the sea. The captain of his ship, who naturally told him, was known for wanton cruelty. The very next day I set to sea with the privateer. And over the whispers of the winds I could almost hear. Whoa, tied to a pole and break his fingers, dragged to a hole and he lay so
Hang on behind. wondrous day. Rain be damned, you have made this one of our favorite days we've ever had at the Shire. It has been so lovely to see each and every one of you embrace the spirit of not only creating revelry, but despite what is happening around you, you have brought joy and sunshine to this entire place. You make this place what it is, and that is a home. So thank you. First of all, give yourselves accolades for being so wonderful. Uncomfortable rain. It is through the trials of having a shorter joust without the horses to come together and enjoy each other's company more so than we would have if it was bright and sunny. And so through the trials and tribulations, we say thank you for being here to support us, and we hope we have been there to support you. And indeed, my dears, we have one more community sort of building exercise we'd like to do, which is a lot of people's worst fear, which is singing together, all right? Thank you once and forever for singing along with us to this last song. If you know the words, belt it out.
Like in front of me some more, please.
Oh, the summertime is coming, and the breeze are sweetly blooming, and the warm dancing tide rolls around the blooming heaven. We'll be
Sushi pie.